Good morning, Poppets. It's Saturday morning. I've got all these bits ready to go. Didn't record it because it's boring. But the next colour going on is orange, which you're going to see in a minute. I've fine lined where it's going to go around this seat cowling, whatever it is. So blue underneath, orange on top, orange seat cover thing, bit underneath. This is having a couple of colours on it. I'm going to do it all orange and then it'll have whatever on it. These are having the little orange bits along the top so they line up with the light panel, whatever it's called, and the tank, so all the top's orange. This has been a bit of a bastard. Little run under it where I was rushing, but it keeps reacting. I'll give it a coat of that bar coat and it still reacted. Whatever the green paint was underneath it. So I've got the little ones with me this morning and they want this camera, so I'll have to stick you on the or will I? I don't know if it's charged. Whatever. You'll see a little bit of it. Second colour on, orange is on for some reason. Spitting out loads of lumps of shit even though I strained it. Forgot to do a spray out card. What a helmet. What a banging headache. But anyway, how are you? I had to give it a coat of a different orange. I knocked up a different orange. About the same colour because I didn't order up enough of the right one. Classic loop. But yeah, it's gone on alright, it's covered over the blue alright. The orange ties in really well with the blue. The fine lines come off alright, no little flaky bits, jagged edges or anything. What we got left? We've got the colour to go on here. You're going to see it anyway. It's green. It's got to be green at the front to go in line with this Kawasaki Cup, League, Race, whatever it is. There's the orange and the blue. I'm either going to flat some of this and do the orange again, or just flat it all and lacquer it all in. But it's got to have another colour going through the middle of that and that. And it's got to have another colour going down here. One in the pink, two in the stink. So that's it. Kids are going mental. I'm going home. Headache tablets. That's that. See you in a bit.